Hey YouTube, welcome back. Strange and Trippy Reviews. Guys, on this one, Perrier water, a liter of Perrier water. Well guys, my buddy Aaron over at the Caperway is doing challenges that Badlandschug does. So Aaron over there decided to chug 1 liter of Perrier water without burping, and to see who can do it the fastest. So Badlandschug, I believe he chugged 2 in 37 seconds, 38 seconds. We're only going to be doing 1 liter, guys. So Aaron figured out it'd be about 18 and a half seconds or so, roughly, to beat Badlands. If we only drink 1 bottle. I'm glad it's only 1 bottle. 2 bottles, that's a lot of liquid, guys. Yeah, so Aaron put this challenge out to anybody that would like to try. Aaron's time is 44 seconds for the whole bottle, I believe. Now, this is without burping, guys, so it's going to be a super challenge to not burp a super fizzy water like Perrier. Perrier, French water. You guys probably have seen it. This one's the lime flavor. So let's get right into it, guys. See if I can get this whole liter of Perrier water down without burping. And before I start that, I need a timer. There we go. Timer zeroed off, guys. Timer there. I'll crack it, I'll start it, and then we'll go. Make sure we don't lose any. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Uh, 43 seconds. 43 seconds, guys. That's a rough one. My stomach is sore. I so wanted to burp a bunch of times. Well, guys, 1 liter Perrier challenge. Drink it as fast as you can. No burps. Check out Aaron over at the Caperway, guys. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Well, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.